Save your favorite Prezi Design assets and reuse them at any time with the library. To add an item to your library, right-click on it in the Prezi Design editor and select Add to Library. You can also select multiple items and add them to your library as one. Once you've saved some content, you can access your library anytime by selecting My Library in the toolbar on the left of the editor. To sort your items in the library, use the drop-down at the top. If you'd like to delete an item, hover over its thumbnail and click on the three dots. Then select Remove from Library and confirm the action in the pop-up. Heads up that this will not delete the item from the projects you've already used it in. If you'd like to reuse an item, hover over it and click Insert or simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. When you add an object to another Prezi Design project, you'll see it automatically take on the styling of the project you're working on. You can fully customize all of the items you've previously added from the Prezi Design editor. Quick tip: you can use any of your saved Prezi Design objects in Prezi Present and vice versa. With your presentation open, simply open the library to find what you'd like to add. Be aware that any Prezi Design objects will be static, so any animations you've added won't play, and you'll only be able to resize and move them. And that's it! Start building your own library of assets at Prezi.com today.